Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing how to set up a full infrastructure for having AI customer support on either your SaaS, your agency, an in-person business, or wherever you need to put support into. We show you how to do it with this platform. So this platform is called uclone.me. Here's the URL. And basically what this is going to allow us to do is this is going to allow us to build a fully functional AI chatbot to put onto our site right into here that's going to be able to handle and answer customer queries and about 95 of the support questions. So what happens if you don't, the AI can't answer a question, then basically what it's going to do is it's going to mark it as human needed, and then we can instantly go ahead and just reply to the question either in Slack, or we can go ahead and open the platform and reply ourselves. Now, the benefit of having this platform is basically it's going to be super easy for you to either A, get new leads into your site by having your chatbot answer questions, B, look like way more of a legit business, because if you don't have customer support in your business, you just look very inexperienced and you don't look like you have a large operation, since you have zero customer support or you just have an email, which in today's day is basically nothing at all. So, and people want instant responses. So basically, I'm going to show you easily how to set up this entire platform and put it directly onto your site so you can start doing it. This is going to take us maybe 5 to 10 minutes to start doing, and you'll be good to go. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to press start free trial right here. And you just want to go ahead and book a discovery call, or you can go ahead and create your account right in here. So I already created my account. This is a test demo account, and I subscribed just to be able to show you a demo. And so as you land in here, you'll be able to see, the messages that you're doing every day, and then along with today's analytics to be able to see everything that's going on. So the most important part is obviously how do we configure this thing? So there's a few main pieces to configuring an AI customer support system. Number one, there's the appearance of your bot. So this is the chatbot actually right here. So the appearance, and then the configuration. So this is uploading documents, setting your support email, all that kind of good stuff. And then settings like which AI engine are you going to use, if you need custom instructions, your language or your time zone, and then workflows. Workflows allow you to basically do specific lead generation or lead capture, along with asking specific questions for users in your business. So we'll start with number one, configuring the chatbot, since that's the most important part. So a few things to consider when configuring is, well, it's really easy actually. You just simply input all of your company information inside of here. So we can, right now I just named this my name, but we can put our support email in here, and we can go ahead and just put an initial greeting message if we want. Hey, how are you? And we can also include some of our business hours, along with escalation instructions. So the AI can't answer everything all the time, nor do we want it to. Some questions we want to go to human to make sure it's 100% accurate all the time. That's what escalation instructions allow us to do. So this allows us to say, okay, if it can't resolve an issue, please email support with your order number, or etc., whatever is applicable to your business. And the reason we also do this one as well, and why it's very handy, is, for example, if you don't have a full-time support person monitoring the chats all the time, you don't want people to be able to wait. You want them to rather send you an email and have you follow up later, compared to like if they ask a question on the chat bubble, chances are they're not going to see that. They'd rather get the response inside of their email to be able to continue the conversation. So that's why we offer these escalation instructions. We do allow human chat takeover. However, we recommend using these so you can cut down your customer support people to essentially zero, or just one person occasionally monitoring emails. Here's where you can fill out a brief company profile, along with any of your website links, support links, or video tutorials, any customer questions, links, or any other important information. So for example, I put a call book link, main site link as well. You can also put this inside of here if you really wanted to. You can put it right in here, and you can just save those changes. So on this section is where you want to be able to upload any information about your company or business. So you can easily just say add new knowledge, paste your landing page or whatever you need in here. So an easy way to do it is, for example, on my landing page here, you can just go ahead and select all the text using Command A if you're on Mac, and simply right click and copy the text and paste it inside of here. So for example, paste it, and it works up to 50,000 characters. So you can just paste your whole landing page or even upload it as a PDF or audio file. Basically, this will train the bot on the questions and be able to answer it effectively. The next thing is advanced settings. We don't really need to change this that much. This, I recommend using 3.7 Sonnet. You can change these. You can also use Perplexity for online internet responses, or a smaller weight model if you'd like for faster responses. This is up to personal preference along with the rest of these settings. These don't matter that much. So the next thing is we want to set up workflows. So this works for either your website widget or your Instagram DMs connection. So on Instagram DMs, I already have a workflow set up. So if I'm, say, doing outreach on an account, as you can see here, I have a connected account under integrations Instagram, this account right here. Under workflows, you can easily see, okay, we have a direct competitor which handles all your customer support interactions along with assisting support teams at the cost of pennies. So as you can see here, the flow is respond to the user with a question framed like this. And then it frames that question automatically for you. And then you can say engage them to sign up or book a call. Or you can do whatever you like, add flows, add different pre-qualifying questions, whatever you need to be able to pre-qualify, ask questions, gain information from users, or be able to help them out. You can add into workflows. Also, you'll have an end result, so you can say send a link or email at the end of a conversation. So I want to send a booking link URL, so I can send this right here. The next part, like we talked about, was appearance. So how do we customize what our chatbot looks like? So under the appearance tab right here, you can upload a logo, you can change the name, you can change the username, also a short bio. So I'll show you the short bio is added right underneath here. Nothing too much, but also just gives some clarity to the user when they use the bot. Along with example questions, so you can see how does uClone work. As you can see, this is a different bot configuration, so you can see these are different set questions, but you can add new example questions very easily to be able to do that right here. So now, how do we actually view incoming messages, right? That's the most important part out of all of it. Like, how do we assist or assess what the bot's doing? So it's very easy. So we can just simply say inbox right here. And as you can see, you get all of the conversations inside of here. So I have my Instagram connected, so that's why the bots are purple. But if it's through a web, you can easily see a new conversation and filter by it. So you can say, oh, what's human only? I have no human only conversations right now. Only AI. What's a widget conversation? Oh, here's my widget conversation. What is pricing? Or Instagram. What are these Instagram conversations? So you can easily filter these conversations and also see all of the unread ones that you need to view, along with any lead status. So, for example, the AI is automatically going to tag each conversation when it starts based on the warmth of the conversation. So, for example, email sent, declined, warm, new. As you can see right here, this was a test message. So anything like that, you can easily go ahead and see the status of the conversation, if it's good or bad, or if it's new, to be able to determine, do I even need to go onto this conversation? So either now to connect your Instagram account or add it to your website for your complete AI customer service workflow, it's really easy. All we need to do is go under the integrations tab again, and we just simply have the website widget, and we can customize this. So we can say the uClone icon, the default icon, typing icon. So I'll keep it with the default icon, and we can say need help could be our message right here. And let's just say I want a blue bubble icon like this. So I'll set my icon here, and all I need to do is copy this widget code here and paste it on any website builder, any custom site that I have, any place that I can be able to paste that script tag into our site, onto our website or no-code builder. That's where I'll put it. And as you can see here, it will put this chatbot right onto your site, of course, to your customization. So beautiful chatbot. You can also show or hide this, because I know some people don't always want the message bubble. So you can say hide message bubble, and it's not going to show that up. So, and then all customers have to do is just simply press this, and you can just say, okay, how much is your service? Connect. How does the human trap feature work? Or when do message credits get reduced? So we can ask that question. And then you can easily see the AI is going to answer it. And then on top of it, based on our workflows, you can see what kind of business do you run, if you don't mind me asking. I configured this in my workflow because I want to re-engage every single lead that comes into the site to be answering my questions and be engaging more with my chat. Because if you have customers that engage more with your chat and do more conversations, you'll notice this trend will go up a lot more. And also you'll see a lot more user engagement with your customers. So that is the complete way on how to add AI customer service system into your any existing business to be able to convert leads higher, look like a legitimate business, and all of those kind of good things. If you're wondering about pricing and billing is very, very simple on the service. It's either $99 a month, or yearly it is not $59 a month for the yearly plan. You might be wondering, well, how many message credits do I get? How does that work? You can get 2,500 message credits a month with the plan, or you can use it as a completely free usage-based system, usage-based billing. So as you can see here, we can press top up and we can see our invoice history and purchase with a card, and we also have crypto purchases coming soon. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.